Hi there. Welcome to Easy English with Alicia. And in today's lesson, we are going to be talking about greetings and introductions. So let's go ahead and look at our objectives. Objective number 1, how to say hello. Number 2, what's after hello? Number 3, saying your name. Number 4, saying where you're from. Number 5, saying your age and perhaps additional information. So let's go ahead and get started with those objectives. First objective, number 1, saying hello. We can say hello in many different ways, whether it's casual, like, hey, or more formal, like, good morning. So let's go ahead and look at those options. Casual options. Hi. Hey. Hello. What's up? What's new? More formal options. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Great job. So let's practice those again. Hey. Hey. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. What's up? What's up? What's new? What's new? Very good. And let's look at more formal options. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Maybe you're wondering, why don't we say good night? Well, that's because good night means goodbye. Good night does not mean hello. It means goodbye. So instead of good night, we would say good evening. Good evening. Good job. Objective 1, completed. Let's look at objective 2. What's after hello? After hello, you could say, how are you? Hi, how are you? You can say, how are you? How have you been? What's going on? What's going on? So those are some options. The most formal and most common is, how are you? So you could say, hello, how are you? And that would be perfect. So just so we understand things clearly, first we say hello, hi. Next we say, how are you? Hi, how are you? Perfect. So what is an answer to how are you? Easy. We can just say fine, good, great. Those are some typical answers. In English-speaking countries, we typically don't speak very honestly about how we're feeling. So this question of how are you? We are not going to say anything negative like, oh, I'm horrible. If you say that, people are going to look at you cross-eyed. Don't say that. People will look at you strange if you are honest about how you're feeling. So don't say negative things. Stay in positivity. And you can say things like fine, great, good. And after you have said one of those things, you're going to return the question. And you'll say, and you? So let's look at this conversation. Hi, how are you? I'm great. And you? I'm fine, thank you. Perfect. Great beginning to a greeting. And then what comes next? So we've got number 1, hello. Number 2, what comes next? Number 3, a name exchange. So you could say, My name's Alicia. What's your name? My name is, whatever your name is, Diana, Henry, Jacob, Sergio. And then you need to ask, and you, or what's your name? What's your name? So we can answer, what's your name? Two ways. We can say, my name is, or I'm Alicia, for example. So my name is Alicia, or I'm Alicia. Nice to meet you. It's really great if you're answering after they've already presented their name to you. It's great to tie up that conversation with it. Nice to meet you. I am Alicia. What's your name? Then you give your name. So we've got, hello, how are you? I'm fine, and you? What's your name? My name is, what's your name? And then another question someone could ask when they're meeting someone new is, where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from the United States. I'm from Chicago. I'm from Illinois. I'm from the Dominican Republic. I'm from Panama. There's lots of places you could be from. And then after you answer, I'm from the United States, you could say, where are you from? Or, what about you? Where are you from? What about you? And then you would respond, oh, I'm from the south of France, for example. So we've got, hi, hello, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm good, thanks. What's your name? My name's Alicia. What's your name? My name's Frank. Oh, great, Frank. Where are you from? Oh, I'm from Panama. Where are you from? I'm from the United States. Great. And then what's next? Maybe, how old are you? How old are you? I am 35 years old. Or I could say, I'm 35. Both options are correct. I am 35 years old or I'm 35. They're equally formal and casual. There isn't a more formal option. And then you would say, what about you? Or how old are you? What about you? How old are you? To turn the question back. And then they'll answer, oh, I'm 26 years old. It's important to mention you do not need to say years old unless you really want to. You can just answer, I'm 26. I'm 35. Very good. So we have hello, hi, how are you? I'm great, thanks. And you? I'm good, thanks. What's your name? Oh, my name's Alicia. What's your name? Oh, my name's Frank. Oh, nice, Frank. Where are you from? I'm from the Dominican Republic. Where are you from? I'm from the United States. How old are you? Oh, I'm 35. How old are you? I'm 35 too. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. And there you have basic introduction and greeting in English. I hope this lesson has been quick and easy with Easy English with Alicia, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. To fit, if you're answering after they've already, see you guys in next lesson. And I will see you guys. And so what is an answer to how are you? Easy. Very honestly about how we're feeling. So don't be honest.